Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about the concept of genres in reading and how you can use genre selection to target reading to the reader to make it more interesting to the individual reader. So what genres are? They are a way of organizing literature into categories, and that might be by content, like what the story is about. It might be by form. Is it written as a play? Is it written as a poem? It might be style. And these are very general, broad ways of categorizing. So if you have poetry, that is a style within a genre, or a drama, and you know which way it's intended to be read. So if it is a play, it's intended to be performed. If it's a speech, it's intended to be read aloud. If it's written as a book or a memoir, it's meant to be read. So genres can be as vague as fiction, nonfiction, but there are also a lot of specifics that you can go into in genres. So you can categorize a genre as fantasy or dystopian or historical fiction or LGBT, and target toward an audience that may enjoy a specific type of story to read about. So when you are categorizing, it does not define that piece of writing to just that category. It could be historical fiction and it could be dystopian at the same time. What a genre is not is fixing a piece of writing to one category or one time period. So if you had a work that was written in the style of American Romanticism, it does not mean that that had to be written in the time period where that writing style was popularized. If you look at today's writing, a lot of the current popular novels in young adult literature are written in a dystopian society. But just because that is popular right now doesn't mean that it hasn't been a utilized genre in the past. You have 1984, which was written in a dystopian style. So it does not contain it to a specific writing style or audience or time period, but it does give guidance to readers about what they might enjoy reading because it falls under one of the many categories that it can fall under. So giving these sorting elements to genres, to books, by putting them into genres, does not make them one thing, but gives many options to guide readers to what they might enjoy reading.